Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make these super easy. This is what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 350, 2 cups of oats, half a cup of natural peanut butter, 2 mashed bananas, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of crushed walnuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And you can also add 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Now mix all of that together and add into an 8x8 pan. Add some extra chocolate chips on top, and now bake for 20 to 25 minutes. They're super filling and perfect for breakfast. I hope you enjoy, it's so good.